Hey friends, if you wish to fix this issue where Adobe Acrobat DC is not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So search for Adobe in the Windows search bar and see there's no other option. First of all, you can try running it as an administrator if it helps. Okay. In some cases it does. In some cases it does not. If it doesn't, then straight away uninstall it. Okay, click on these three dots here, select uninstall and uninstall once again. Let it uninstall, it will need a while. Search for store in the Windows search bar and open the Microsoft Store. Now search for Adobe PDF Reader and then go to that app and select install and let it install. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.